Hey guys, welcome back to Design Travel Diary. In this video, we're taking a trip back to our visit to Singapore for New Year's Eve in 2023. Even though it's been almost 2 years, this trip was so memorable that we're really excited to share it with you. From exploring Jewel Changi to welcoming the new year at Marina Bay, there's so much to experience. If you're planning your upcoming New Year holiday, this video might give you some ideas. As usual, we'll also discuss some fun facts about architecture and history. Let's dive in. Our day started early at Soekarno-Hatta Airport's Terminal 3 Ultimate. It's the last day of the year, with Christmas trees and festive lights still up. The holiday atmosphere was perfect for kicking off a New Year's trip. After a quick check-in and boarding process, we were on our way to Singapore. We're planning to catch the New Year's Eve celebration at Marina Bay. Landing at Changi Airport always feels like an experience in itself. Did you know Changi has been ranked the world's best airport multiple times? Its design isn't just about aesthetics but also function, with features like skylights that use adjustable prisms to control natural lighting. It's little details like these that make Changi stand out. Our first stop after landing was Jewel, a must-visit attraction at Changi Airport. The centerpiece here is the Rain Vortex, a 40-meter indoor waterfall that also collects and recycles rainwater to make it environmentally friendly. Around the waterfall is the Shiseido Forest Valley, a lush indoor garden with over 2,000 trees and plants. It's a breathtaking mix of architecture and nature. The holiday spirit is very much alive here, with a massive Christmas tree adding an extra festive vibe. Jewel perfectly blends modern design with a warm, welcoming atmosphere. After enjoying the Rain Vortex, we decided to explore some of Jewel's unique stores. One of our favorites was Tokyu Hands, a Japanese lifestyle shop filled with adorable, quirky, and functional items. From stationery to home goods and even travel accessories, there's something for everyone here. Another highlight of Jewel is the Pokemon Center Singapore. This is the only Pokemon Center outside Japan, and it's a paradise for fans of the franchise. You'll find exclusive merchandise, plush toys, collectibles, and even interactive displays. The store is always buzzing with excitement, and we couldn't resist spending extra time here to check out all the adorable items. After leaving Jewel, we took the Sky Train to Changi MRT station, then switched to the East-West line to head towards our hotel in the Little India district. The convenience of Singapore's public transportation system is always impressive. It's efficient, easy to navigate, and well-connected. We arrived at Rocher MRT station, just minutes away from our budget-friendly hotel, Hotel 81 Rocher. A short walk later, we arrived at Hotel 81 Rocher. This hotel is perfect for travelers who want to be close to key spots in Little India, offering affordable accommodation in a prime location. I'll be reviewing this hotel in a separate video, so check out the link in the corner. After a quick rest, we headed out to grab some snacks and dinner. We passed through the vibrant Little India district with its colorful shops and lively atmosphere. Little India's design is a great example of Singapore's urban planning, blending historical influences with modern developments. Many buildings here reflect traditional South Asian styles, while still fitting into Singapore's strict building regulations. We took the MRT to Chinatown, another iconic area in Singapore. This district has a rich history as the heart of the Chinese community in Singapore. When we arrived at Chinatown Point, the mall was starting to put up Chinese New Year decorations, adding a festive touch to the evening. At Chinatown Point, we tried a drink called Chinese Tofu Magician. It's kind of like a soy milk with peanut powder and skewered mochi. After dinner, we headed over to Marina Bay Sands Mall to check out the iconic sampan rides and the stunning Rain Oculus. The mall's design is influenced by the concept of water. From the indoor canals to the giant Oculus above, it's a space that's both visually striking and functional. But we're not going to spend the evening here. Our goal was to catch the fireworks from the opposite side of the bay, near Fullerton Hotel. So we walked through a few blocks of the famous business district. Along the way, we passed by Lau Pa Sat, a historic food market that dates back to 1894. Originally a market hall, it's now a popular spot for local street food. Its Victorian cast iron structure adds to the charm, making it a great blend of history and culinary culture. As we neared Fullerton, we could already feel the excitement building. The Fullerton Hotel, once Singapore's general post office, is now a five-star hotel with a rich history. Its neoclassical architecture and prime location by the bay make it a perfect spot to watch the fireworks. The promenade was packed with visitors eagerly waiting for the New Year's Eve celebrations. Given that the past few years had been affected by the pandemic, this year's celebration felt even more special, as people were finally able to gather again in full force. We secured a spot at around 9 p.m. As the first fireworks lit up the sky at 22:30, the crowd erupted in cheers, phones came out, and the energy was contagious. Singapore's New Year fireworks show is one of the best in the world. The audience also got treated to a mesmerizing drone show among the fireworks, lighting up the sky with creative displays. It's amazing how technology and creativity come together to enhance the experience. By midnight, the atmosphere was electric, drones forming a countdown clock in the sky, followed by non-stop colorful fireworks illuminated the sky, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The crowd's excitement was palpable, and it felt like the entire city had come alive for this moment. As the fireworks show ended, the crowd started to disperse, but the energy was still high. Walking back towards the MRT station, we marveled at the beautiful light projection on the Fullerton Hotel's facade, adding a magical touch to the night. It was a perfect ending to an amazing evening. We made our way to Esplanade MRT station and immediately greeted by a massive crowd. But Singapore's MRT system never disappoints. The crowd moved quickly and orderly, with personnel on standby ensuring everything went smoothly. Within 20 minutes, we had boarded the MRT, and by 1:10 a.m., we were back at Rocher MRT station, wrapping up our unforgettable day one in Singapore. It was a packed, exciting day filled with amazing memories, and we can't wait to share more of this trip with you in the next videos. Stay tuned for more adventures as we explore the best of Singapore, and if you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of the fun. Thanks for watching, and see you on the day 2 video.